Eid Mubarak, food lovers. Sparkles, welcome back to Dress, Dine and Shine, your home for fashion, feasting, and fabulous living. Today, we're serving Eid in a glass, a luxurious, creamy, rich dates dry fruit shake that captures the soul of celebration. It's more than a drink, it's a story, a memory, a tradition, blended just for you. Eid is the festival of joy, gratitude, and togetherness. It's a time to nourish not just the body, but the soul, traditionally. So why not make them the star of our celebratory shake? This drink blends nostalgia, tradition, and indulgence, perfect for Eid mornings or as a post-meal delight. Clipboard ingredients: 8 to 10 soft medjool dates, pitted, 2 cups chilled full-fat milk or almond milk, a quarter cup mixed dry fruits, almonds, cashews, pistachios, 2 tablespoons koya or mawa, optional for richness, 1 to 2 teaspoons honey or jaggery syrup, optional, a pinch of cardamom powder, saffron strands soaked in warm milk, for royal flavor, crushed ice, optional for summer feel, rose petals, chopped nuts, and edible gold leaf, for garnish. Step-by-step instructions: soak the dry fruits for 15 to 20 minutes in warm water. This softens them and brings out their flavor. In a blender, add pitted dates, soaked dry fruits, cardamom, saffron milk, and koya. Pour in the chilled milk and add honey if you want a sweeter touch. Blend till smooth and creamy. Add crushed ice and blend again if serving as a chilled summer cooler. Blend it till it's silky, rich, and thick. You'll notice the color turn into a golden beige. That's the glow of Eid in a glass. Serve this shake in tall glasses, garnish with rose petals and chopped nuts, and place it on a festive tray. A sprinkle of edible gold makes it magical. Did you know dates are high in natural sugars, fiber, and minerals? Dry fruits offer healthy fats and protein, perfect after fasting. This shake is both energizing and filling, making it a great breakfast drink for Eid morning. Want to add a twist? Add a scoop of vanilla or saffron ice cream for a dessert version. Blend in banana or figs for extra creaminess. Replace milk with coconut milk for a dairy-free option. It's your festival, your glass, make it your own. If you loved this Festival in a Glass episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive food, fashion, and fun. Drop a clinking glasses in the comments if you're planning to try this recipe for Eid. Until next time, dress up, dine well, and shine on. Eid Mubarak, Dostun.